On an inhale, reach up towards the ceiling and really stretch as high as you can, like it's first thing in the morning. As you breathe out, reach all the way down to the floor. Bend into the knees, step back with the right foot, hover the back knee, lift the chest. Notice how I have to push my body forward to create that extra lift. Head back as far as you are comfortable. Tuck in the chin, round into your back. Step back into a press-up plank. The weight is equal on the left and right side of my body. Drop the knees, chest, and then nose. Notice how my hips are off the ground. As I flatten the body, I'm reaching forward with my head. On an inhale, I lift. Notice the chest has to lift. I'm fighting gravity, head goes back. Tuck in the chin, downward facing dog. Notice how I'm trying to push my hips towards the back of the room. The head is weightless. I'm then going to lift the right foot off the ground, step through, hover the back knee. The knee goes forward, the chest lifts, head goes back. Tuck in your chin. With one step, the left foot joins the right. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, back to Namaskar. I'm not going to over contract, over tight, I'm just going to stand gracefully.